It isn't easy being a professional deck builder today. Want evidence? Look no further than the abundance of fastener types and proprietary tool investments that are required to simply attach deck surfaces. Some deck surfaces require clips, others plugs, and yet others a type of face fastener or another kind of side angle attachment. These methods are not easy to learn, less easy to do, and often require unwanted investments in tools that can only be used with that type of fastener, or worse, with only that type of deck surface. That's nuts! And not to mention, these methods largely require you to be on your knees. Slow, not easy to learn or do, not versatile, and not easy on your body. Really? Not anymore. Introducing the CAMO DRIVE. Engineered with key insight from professionals like you, the CAMO DRIVE is the fastest, easiest, most versatile and affordable way to attach any deck surface. The CAMO DRIVE allows the user to get off their knees while driving any of the three most popular fastening methods: the new CAMO edge clips, CAMO edge screws, or the new CAMO face screws, all at a pace up to 5 times faster than current methods. Really? Here's how the CAMO DRIVE works. First, attach your own drill to the CAMO DRIVE. Yes, your drill. Next, select one of the 3 fastening methods: edge, clips, or face screws. Attach the corresponding guide and drive. It's that easy. For grooved decking, there's no easier way to attach the deck with clips than using the CAMO DRIVE with the new industry-changing CAMO edge clips. For use with any grooved wood, capstock, or PVC board, you simply insert the clip into the groove, slide the next board or boards on, and then fasten the clip in one easy motion. For edge or face fastening, insert the appropriate guide. Load either the CAMO collated edge or face screws and drive the screws into wood, square edge capstock, or PVC deck boards, all while standing up. It is that easy. Make it easy on yourself. Start using the CAMO DRIVE, the fastest, easiest, most versatile, and affordable way to attach any type of deck surface. Buy now at your local dealer, home center, or Amazon. To learn more, go to CamoFasteners.com or search Camo Fasteners to find our YouTube channel.